Ever wondered why when you get a bruise, so many color changes happen before it finally disappears? So we'll explain that today. So let's say you get hit somewhere in your hand, nothing has happened superficially to your skin, but the site immediately turns red in color. So this is because although the overlying skin or mucosa apparently is uninjured, the blood vessels that are present beneath it tend to get injured or they're torn apart. So the blood that has been sitting inside the blood vessels start gushing out into the surrounding tissues. So as we all know, blood is red in color, so the site immediately appears red. But it continues to stay this way only for a few hours, because only for a few hours the hemoglobin that is present within the RBCs is able to hold on to the oxygen molecules. After a few hours to about maximum of 2 to 3 days, the hemoglobin can no longer hold on to the oxygen molecule, so it starts letting it go. So the blood now becomes deoxygenated, and so the way in which it reflects light changes and the color changes from red to bluish, the color of the bruise. So after this, around the third day or something, the red blood cells that are present in the area also start getting destroyed, and they release a pigment called as hemosiderin. So this hemosiderin pigment is brown in color. So that is why from the bluish color of the bruise, it now turns into a bluish black to brownish discoloration. I'm sure we've all noticed that, right? So after this, around the 5th day or something, what happens is the hemoglobin that is present in the RBCs, they also start getting broken down, and they release what is called as biliverdin. So this biliverdin is a pigment that is green in color. So yes, from the brownish color, that is why the bruise then turns into a greenish discoloration. Then after this, around the 7th day to 10th day, the hemoglobin is continued to be broken down, right? So now it releases a pigment called as bilirubin. So this bilirubin is yellow in color. So from the green color, now the site changes into yellow color. Then again, eventually in another few days, all the blood products that are present in the accumulated area get broken down, and the site eventually returns back to its original skin color. So this is the cycle or the chain of events that happen from the discoloration changing from red to blue to bluish black or brown to green to yellow, and finally to return to our normal skin color. So I hope this was informative, and I'll see you all in the next one.